Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Install the Gemini Code Assist extension from the Visual Studio Code Marketplace and restart Vscode to enable the commands. Add your API key in Vscode, settings under Gemini, API key, or use environment variables for CI systems, and use Vscode's secret storage for safety. Select the Gemini model GPT-4o minicode or the recommended model in settings, and set default temperature and max tokens to balance creativity and cost. Confirm network access and allowed endpoints in your corporate firewall if applicable. Open a project folder and trigger code Assist with Ctrl+Shift+P then Gemini Assist, or use the editor context menu for inline suggestions. Use inline suggestions for single-line edits or accept whole file refactors when you need structured changes across files. Review the diff before saving. Provide context. Include the file, error messages, and desired output in your prompt so Gemini can produce precise patches. And paste minimal reproducible examples to reduce token usage and increase accuracy. If you hit rate limits, lower token usage or switch model to GPT-4o minicode and retry after the cooldown period. Batching requests reduces per-call overhead. Secure API keys with Vscode's secret storage or environment variables and never commit keys to repos. Rotate keys regularly and assign least privilege scopes. Report issues and enable verbose logs in settings to capture request details and HTTP responses for debugging. And include file names, line ranges, and a short reproduction step when opening a support ticket.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.